morning, students. Yesterday I taught you about the perimeter of polygon like rectangle and square. Today we are going to solve the problems based on the given topics there. That is exercise number 10A. The very first question you can see that here given one hexagon. What is a hexagon? Hexagon has a polygon containing 6 line segments. Hexa means 6. Okay. Penta means 5. Hepta means 7. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is a regular hexagon. What is regular hexagon? Regular hexagon means all the sides are equal. All the hexagon have not same line segment, same size there, but few have same size, means all the sides are same. So if all the sides of any polygon are same, that is same, then it is called regular. This is called regular hexagon because all the 6 sides are same. And the perimeter is asking, it is very simple. What is 6 sides? You can see 6 sides there, and 1, 2, 3, 6 sides, and each side is 6. So 6 into 6 simply you will do. Okay, it is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many times? 6 times. So 6 into 6 centimeter, and it will come 36 centimeter. So the perimeter is 36 centimeter. Okay. B, you can see that B given a triangle. Given a triangle having 3 sides. Okay. This is 7 centimeter. Okay. This is 6 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. So what is perimeter? Sum of all the sides. Because all are different, then we will do the sum. Means 7 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. What is perimeter? Sum of all the sides of any polygon. तो ऐड कर दीजिए, बराबर नहीं है तो यहाँ पे क्या था 6 था, तो हम इसको ऐड भी कर सकते थे. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. But as we know that this is a repeated addition. What is repeated addition? It means multiplication. 6 comes how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 6 into 6 centimeter. तो हमें स्मार्ट बनना है, ना कि हमें बेवकूफ बनना है. हम 6 में 6 ऐड करके 12 आएगा, फिर 6 ऐड करेंगे 18 आएगा, and directly we will do here. That's why we have done like this. And here, because no option, all are different, and simply we will add it. Okay. 7 plus 6, 13 plus 5, 18. What is answer? 18 centimeter. The perimeter of this given triangle is 18 centimeter. Okay. This is question number 1. Now moving ahead with the question number 2. In question number 2, my dear students, find the perimeter of square whose sides are given below. First see, it is given 7.2 centimeter. What is the meaning of this? This is given side of the square. This is side of square. Side of square. This is a square, and this is square. One side it is equal to 7.2 centimeter. It means all the sides are. What is the special quality of the square? In a square, all the sides are equal. 7.2, 7.2, 7.2, 7.2. All the sides are equal. Then, my dear students, if all the sides of square are equal, then what will be the perimeter? The question it is asking perimeter of the square. Then perimeter is equal to, क्या हो जाएगा perimeter square का? Simply 4 into one side. This is formula. 4 into one side means 4 into 7.2 centimeter. Please don't write from here. As earlier I used to give you, I will give. Okay. तो 4 into 7.2. अब 7.2 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 4 2 जा 8, 4 7 जा 28. 28.8. What is answer? 28.8 centimeter. Very easy. To find out the perimeter of a square, simply you have to multiply. Only for a square, you have to multiply by the given side there. Okay. Now the next question on the basis of this only, B. Very simple. In B question, 4 centimeter given, multiply 4 by 4, it will come 16 centimeter. Okay. So no need to do the next question of 1. Okay. I'm just going to give you the third question number 3. You will see question number 3. Okay. जो छोड़ रहा हूं मैं उसको आप घर पे जरूर ट्राई कीजिएगा, उसको छोड़िएगा नहीं आप. ओके, बिकॉज क्वेश्चन may ask from any corner. So the next question number 3 we are going to see. Let me rub it all. And please make your practice that you do your work on daily basis. किसी भी काम को pending मत. Don't leave your work pending. Question number 3. Find the side of the square with perimeter is given below. My dear students, this is just opposite of the previous question. What opposite? Here given perimeter of a square. Book में दिया है perimeter of a square. What is how much? 68 centimeter. Okay. Perimeter of a square is given 68 centimeter and we have to find out the side. ध्यान रखिएगा, सिर्फ स्क्वायर की बात हो रही है. सिर्फ स्क्वायर अगर होगा तो, अगर स्क्वायर पॉलीगन होगा तो. ओके, व्हाट इज द साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर? साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इट इज इक्वल टू पेरीमीटर अपॉन 4. पेरीमीटर अपॉन 4. व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर अपॉन 4? एंड पेरीमीटर इज गिवन 68 सेंटीमीटर अपॉन 4. तो 68 को आप 4 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. 68 divided by 4. Okay, this is 68. I think some water left here, that's why it is not clear. 68. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, 2 8, 4 7 ja 28. It is 17 centimeter. What answer came? 17 centimeter. What is this? This is the side of the square. आप देख लीजिए, this is square. इसका perimeter दिया 68 और हमें मिला 17 17 17 17 एक साइड. ऐड कीजिएगा, आपका आंसर 68 आ जाएगा. तो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट द साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर? इफ पेरीमीटर गिवन, डिवाइड दैट गिवन पेरीमीटर बाय 4. प्लीज डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. इफ साइड गिवन, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 टू फाइंड आउट पेरीमीटर. इफ पेरीमीटर गिवन, डिवाइड बाय 4 टू फाइंड आउट साइड. ओके, now see the next question, question number 4. In question number 4, length and breadth given and we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Also very easy. Yesterday I taught you regarding this perimeter of rectangle. Okay, I will do B question because A is very easy. In A decimal not given, in B decimal given. उसी के बेसिस पे आप A घर पे कोशिश कीजिएगा. You please try at home. Okay. Question number 4B. Question number 4B. What is question number 4B? Length given. I'm adding in short length 5.5. L means length 5.5. Breadth given 2.5. देखिए हमेशा लेंथ जो होता है वो ब्रेथ से ज्यादा होता है. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द perimeter of rectangle. याद रखिएगा, this is to find out the perimeter of rectangle if length and breadth given. I told you the formula 2 into L plus B. Unit means here they given centimeter. You will write here centimeter. This is equally important as you are getting the answer to write unit there. Okay, now 2 length given 5.5, breadth given 2.5 सेंटीमीटर. ऐड कर लीजिए इसको. 5.5 2.5. हमेशा पॉइंट नीचे पॉइंट रखिएगा. ओके, 550 कैरी 1 5162 8. 8.0 means what? 8. So 2 into 8 centimeter and it will be 16 centimeter. What perimeter came? Its perimeter came 16 centimeter. आप देख लीजिए. I made here one rectangle. Length is 5.5 centimeter. ये भी 5.5 होगा. This is 2.2. ये भी 2.2 होगा. आप ऐड करके देख लीजिए. 5.5, 2.5, 5.5, 2.5. Because sum ऐड करके 5, 5, 10, 15, 20 to 5 to 7 to 9, 9, 5, 14 to 16. 16.0 means 16. It is came. Only simple putting in formula value in the formula, you will get the answer. Okay, 4a, please do at home. It's very simple. You have to add 7 plus 3, 10, and 10 into 2, 20. The answer will come. Okay, please try at home. The next part is little bit technical. The next part is little bit technical. Why technical? Because only the formula is changed, nothing else. The formula is change, और आपको फॉर्मूला याद करना ही पड़ेगा. आपको फॉर्मूला याद करना ही पड़ेगा. आप जब हायर क्लासेस में जाएंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्यों ऐसा है. बट अभी आप फॉर्मूला याद कर लीजिए, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया है. क्योंकि अगले क्वेश्चन में पेरीमीटर दिया है, लेंथ दिया होगा, आपको ब्रेथ निकालना होगा, या ब्रेथ दिया होगा, आपको लेंथ निकालना होगा. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, प्लीज सी. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 प्लीज सी. आई एम डूइंग ए. एक मैं आपके लिए करता हूं ए वाला, बी आप घर पे कीजिएगा. पेरीमीटर गिवन, ब्रेथ गिवन, एंड you have to find out length. In both questions you have to find out length. Okay, perimeter given, I am adding P short form. Perimeter given 14 centimeter. Okay, breadth given, how much given breadth? See here, 2 centimeter, and we have to find out length. So in perimeter, in a rectangle, to find out length, what is formula? It is equal to perimeter, I am writing short form, perimeter, okay, I am writing full, perimeter minus sum of breadth, sum of breadth upon 2. Perimeter minus sum of breadth upon 2. Okay, perimeter given 14. Okay, minus, I told you earlier that in rectangle the breadth is 2 breadths are there. Okay, आमने सामने की जो होती है, तो सम मतलब दोनों को ऐड कर दी, दोनों का सेम ही होगा, 2 plus 2 upon 2. Unit is centimeter. Then 14 minus 2 plus 2, 4 upon 2 centimeter. It will come 10 upon 2 centimeter. 2 1 2, 2 5 10. It will come 5 centimeter. So our required answer is 5 centimeter. Only you have to take care in this question. The formula change. Perimeter में से breadth is given 2 breadths. Then sum of breadth means add 2 plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 both are same. Same होते हैं, देखिए ना. रेक्टेंगल है तो ब्रेथ की भी बराबर ही तो होगा, ये 2 भी 2 होगा. सम मींस 2 plus 2. ब्रेथ दिया है ऑलरेडी, 2 plus 2 4 upon 2. अगर यहाँ 7 दिया है तो 7 plus 7 upon 2. ओके, फिर 14 माइनस, पहले ऐड करके फिर माइनस कीजिएगा. 14 माइनस 2 plus 2 4, फिर ऐड कर लीजिएगा, फिर माइनस कीजिएगा, माइनस करने के बाद फिर डिवाइड कीजिएगा लास्ट में. You will get the required length. What is required length here? Required length is 5 centimeter. Like the same, you have to do the second question. 26 perimeter given, breadth 4 given, add breadth together, 4 plus 4, 8, subtract from 26, it will come 18, and then divide by 2, it will come 9. Okay, please try at home, do at home there. Okay, so what questions you have to do in the copy, I will upload today. In next one, we will just go for the next topic. What is that topic? The topic is area. Area of different figures, different kind of polygons. Okay, till that, please make habit to complete your work in time. Okay, and on a daily basis, please complete your work. Stay home, stay safe, take care.